How to get your Sora AI videos in a doorbell camera. You can first prepare an image from a doorbell camera perspective. You can find the Sora to recommendations directly in the homepage, or choose to search for AI apps. Type Sora to AI video generator. Choose to generate 10-second or 5-second videos. For image to video, you need to upload an image. Type in the content you want and add the reference prompt. Captured from the wide-angle fisheye perspective of a doorbell camera. Click Generate. Let's wait and see. Text to video. Just type in the video content you want to generate. A video with synchronized audio and visuals is now complete.